And in this video we are going to talk about product research for Mother's Day. Okay, first I'll show you the structure that I'm going to try and follow, the interesting fact. uh, then I'm going to show you a way to stay updated. Then there are two approaches and two ways to find products, and then a few product examples to give you some ideas. Okay, now first of all, the interesting fact: did you know that more phone calls are made on Mother's Day than any other day of the year? These holiday chats with mom often cause phone traffic to spike by as much as 37%. I'm sharing this interesting fact so you may understand the importance of Mother's Day. This is probably the easiest way uh, to make money, to convey your feelings, and do some of the stuff. Okay, now how to stay updated? You can use simple Google alerts or some other advanced alert mechanism. Just set up the keywords like Mother's Day, mother without apostrophe day, and some more related keywords. And you can obviously play with the configuration. The whole point is just to get the content related to Mother's Day coming in your mailbox. Okay, what will happen with this is, like, let's say there is a news or there is some sort of a content that you got in your inbox, and then you can use that in your ad copy, or you can probably create a totally different angle around that. Okay, that's why it's important to stay updated. Also, you will get some product ideas as well through those through that incoming content. Okay, now there are two approaches for this. Some of you like playing with broad audiences, some of you like playing with narrow audiences. So that's what I have kept in mind here. If you are from the broad club, you can target all mothers. I would still recommend you to just go for US or tier 1 countries at first. Do not go for the worldwide. And if you are someone from the narrow club, okay, then you will have to intersect the Mother's Day part with some sort of a niche or come up with something different. Okay, I have given a few examples here. So there is dog mom. It's not just dog mom. You can also go for cat mom, or softball mom, or baseball mom, or something else. Okay, and if you want to go narrower, you can instead of dog mom, you can go pitbull mom. You can go Dachshund mom. You get the idea, right? Then there are all kind of more moms or mothers in our life. Okay, one of them is grandma. Okay, one of them is probably a stepmom, or probably there is an aunt that you consider your mother. Okay, so like there are people who are in different phases of life and who have different kind of mothers, and we can also target that. Okay, then also there are single moms. Okay, single moms probably will buy will have a different approach for them. And then there are moms who are moms for the first time in their life. They are celebrating their first Mother's Day. Okay, these are the moms who will probably buy the gift for themselves, or their partner will buy the gift for them. And the best part is, like, in this audience, you will find probably they will buy a gift for themselves, and they will also buy a gift for their children as well. Okay, because this is their first celebration together, and there is something magical about everything first. You may already know that. Okay, so the first and the most simple and the most easiest way to approach product research for anything is just find suggested keywords on AliExpress. Okay, so how do we do that? We just enter Mother's Day and then start adding alphabets, numbers, or some random, I don't know, something else if there exists anything else. So as you can see in the screenshot, I have tried adding B. Then you can go on to C, D, E, and then note down all the suggested keywords here. I'll show you an example here. As you can see in my sheet, I have Mother's Day balloons, Mother's Day card, Mother's Day decoration, Mother's Day embosser, earrings, and I have it to the Z or whatever, like whatever uh, alphabets were available. Okay, and obviously then we will also try it on 0, 1, 2, 3, all the digits as well. Okay, this will give us a nice list of suggested keywords, and we'll get some idea like what kind of products are selling. Or obviously, you, if you like, you can go a little advanced, and you can also record the volume of the suggested keywords, like how many search results are there, and that can also give you some ideas as well. Okay, so here are a few of my favorite keywords that, like, if you like, you can take a screenshot of this and you can play with this. uh, Mother's Day gift, Mother's Day present. As you can see, jewelry is huge in this niche. Okay, jewelry, bracelet, ring, necklace, pendant, then mugs, t-shirt. Now, like, all of this is like all of this can be customized and personalized, or you can come up with something which is totally different and which is totally customized or personalized. I will give you examples later on. But the and Jarvis was the person who came up with the concept of Mother's Day to celebrate her mother, and she is the one who made it possible that everyone can celebrate Mother's Day. But she is also the person who actually later on went against the celebration of Mother's Day, because people like us, okay, we started monetizing Mother's Day way too hard. Okay, there were greeting card companies, there were flower companies, and everyone who were pushing too hard with their promotions. So Anne Jarvis, at the end of her life, uh, she kept fighting that we should cancel the Mother's Day and we should not celebrate it in this way. The idea of Anne Jarvis for celebrating Mother's Day was to, just give your mother a flower or something, a very something to make her feel special. Okay, that was the idea behind Mother's Day. And that's why if you are getting a customized or personalized product for your mother, okay, that will work way better than just spending money on something expensive just like that. Okay, so this is something that we have to keep in mind when we are creating our offer, when we are coming up with our own product line. Okay, so here is an example of the kind of product that I would recommend. Okay, I have said Mother's Day locket here, and you can see the product in the red box. This is the product we came up with this last year, and just so you know, we you can test this product this year as well. And this is the best part about following the trends like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas. That, and probably this is the only part, this is the only strategy where we allow testing old products. Okay, because mothers will always be there, and there will always be kids or people who want to make their mother feel special. And this is a great example of a customized or personalized product, okay, which is not simple just engraving. This is a collapsible, or I can say expandable locket, where they can put their pictures. Okay, and then it has wings, so it goes on to show it's kind of giving your kids a protection. And the another angle that is quite popular right now with this product is that you can keep all your kids close to your heart. Okay, so this is the kind of products that I would recommend you to find. And there are, it doesn't matter if this is an old product, people will buy this. Okay, I know I'm the one who advocates the new product. Like, if you can get something new, okay, that's like, that's cherry on the top. Okay, and if you can't get something new, just understand why would someone buy this product, and like how will they be able to use this product to make their mother feel special. Okay, now there is another way to research products, and we are going to use super early for this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set import day as yesterday, and I'm going to enter the keyword gift here. It is not directly related to Mother's Day, but it helps you find different ideas which are just not locket, or which are not just not bracelet or stuff like that. Okay, now if you are not familiar with Super Early is a tool that we have built for our own use, and we also sell it publicly. Okay, so what you if you like, you can go to YouTube and find other tutorials as well. And I'll show you an example that I found using this strategy. Okay, this is Clever Cutter, and I'm sure that you have seen way too many ads for this in the past. Okay, but what I did was like I just followed the strategy on Super Early, and this product caught my eye. This is an old product. There is no denying that. Okay, but Mother's Day is not about, as I told you earlier, it's not about giving expensive gifts to your mother. It's about making her feel special. Okay, now if you are giving her something which is of her use, okay, and then probably you can partner up for that day and help her using that product as well. Okay, so Clever Cutter makes a great gift because it helps mothers in the kitchen. So especially things like things that can be used in the kitchen, things that can be used around the house, or stuff like that. Okay, it's great for Mother's Day as well. It does not have to be a jewelry. It does not have to be a mug. It does not necessarily have to be a T-shirt. It all works very well. Okay, but I wanted to give you a different thought process to just get out of that zone and also make most of the past products and different kind of products. So what you can easily do is you can just take these normal products, put the Mother's Day angle, and sell them well. Okay, so yeah, that was about it. So thank you for your time. And if there is something that I have missed out on, if there is something that you would like me to talk about, comment down below. And if you have any query, feel free to comment down. Feel free to reach out us in the group as well. And I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. This was Hanay Sayed for Super Early. Take care. Bye bye.